Hey everyone, just wanted to post an issue I had with the 300EX. I was originally getting spark, I was getting good compression, and I had fuel, and quad just wouldn't turn over even though I was running a minute ago. I had the guts to tear it apart. Right here we see, we're at top dead center right now. Bolts in the middle, top right there, and your both ticks are marked up. This is a very common issue, and it can be tedious and annoying, but look in here. Not even lined up with the top dead center mark in the stator. And finding out before, this had a loose ass timing chain, so it jumped timing. That's that, and that's the issue of if your quad gets all these symptoms and you're like, it's not running, it's probably jump timing, and it's a very annoying situation, but I will post a video soon on how to reset that. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned.